In problem statement, it is written that a cone 40 mm base diameter and 60 mm long axis is resting on horizontal plane on one of point of base circle such that its axis make 40-degree inclination with horizontal plane and 40-degree inclination with vertical plane. Draw its projections. Base diameter is given 40 mm, axis height is given 60 mm, and inclination with horizontal and vertical planes are given 40 degree. Now to prepare solution of this, first we can draw XY line, then we can mark this center point anywhere below XY line, then we can draw this circle having radius 20 mm. Now we can divide this circle into 8 equal parts. Angle between each line is 45 degree. We can keep angle 45 degree. Now we can mark here point A, B, C, D, E, F, G as shown in figure. Now we can draw vertical line from all the points from A, B, C, D. Each of the point we can draw vertical line up to XY line. Then we can draw this vertical line having length. Now we can draw this vertical line having length 6 centimeter. So we will get here point O dash on this line. Then we can join both of this point A dash O dash and E dash O dash to prepare this triangle shape. Now to prepare this part of the solution, we can mark this point E dash anywhere on the XY line. Then we can draw this line at an angle of 50 degree with XY line. This much angle we can keep 50 degree. Now here we can consider radius is equal to E dash A dash, and considering E dash as center point, we can draw one arc on this line. So here we will get A dash point, E dash A dash, same distance we can consider here E dash A dash. Now we can draw one line from midpoint of E dash A dash line. Here we can draw this line having any length. Now we can draw here one arc considering C dash O dash radius. This point will be C dash. We can draw one arc. So here we will get O dash point. We can join A dash O dash and C dash O dash. So here we will get this type of triangle shape. We want to keep inclination of axis with XY line 40 degree as it is given in the question, 40 degree inclination with horizontal plane. So that's why we have taken this much angle 50 degree to prepare to draw this line. We have taken 50 degree angle. So at the end we will get this axis at 40 degree inclination. Now we can extend this horizontal line as shown in figure. Then we can draw vertical line. So here we will get various intersecting point, horizontal line from O and vertical line from O dash. So we will get here O point, vertical line from A, horizontal line from A, vertical line from A dash. So here we will get A point in figure. Now inclination with vertical plane 40 degree is given in the question. So we can draw this line at an angle of 40 degree. This point we can mark anywhere on XY line to draw this inclined line at 40 degree angle. Now we can draw this perpendicular line. It is line CG. Consider this much length, CG length, same length we can consider here between these 2 points C and G, same distance we can keep here. These both lines are perpendicular with each other line. Now we can consider OA distance similar as OA. OA radius we can take O point center point. We can draw one arc. So here we will get point A on this line. Now to get point E here, we can consider OE radius, O point center point. We can draw one arc here. So here we will get point E. To mark remaining point in this figure, we can consider CB radius and we can draw one arc considering C point as center point. Similar way, GB radius we can consider radius is equal to G point to B point, G as center point. We can draw one other arc. So intersecting point we will get here point B. Now to get point H, we can consider C as radius and C point center point. We can draw one arc. G as radius and G point center point. We can draw another arc. So here we will get intersecting point H as shown in figure. Similar way, we can take radius CD and GD radius and we can draw arc. So here we will get point D. CF and GF radius. So here considering C center point, we can draw arc, G center point, we can draw another arc. So intersecting point, we will get point F. Join this point with curvature shape as shown in figure. So we will get here this type of conical shape. Now we can draw vertical line and horizontal line from each of the vertical line from O and horizontal line from O dash. We will get here point O dash, vertical line from C, horizontal line from C dash. So here we will get intersecting point C. Similar way, vertical line from point A and horizontal line from point A dash. So here we will get point A dash. As this way we can draw intersecting point. We can join this point with curvature shape. Now we can join this straight line as a tangent to this curvature shape. So in this way we can prepare solution of this problem. Thank you.